Privacy First Analytics, or Google-powered reports, which tool truly delivers in 2025? On the left, Plausible Analytics, privacy first, lightweight, and simple. And on the right, Looker Studio, Google's powerful data visualization platform tailored for deep analysis. Let's skip the buzzwords and get into the real differences between these two. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The final result might just surprise you. Okay, quick preview. Here's a snapshot of everything I'll be comparing side by side. Pricing, privacy and compliance, features and functionality, ease of use, who each tool is really for, and their overall performance impact. Pretty much everything you need to know. All right, first up, pricing. Plausible Analytics, well, it keeps things pretty straightforward. You get simple, traffic-based pricing. No sneaky hidden fees, like what you see is what you pay. But heads up, it does start at $9 a month for up to 10K page views. And yeah, it can scale up pretty quickly if you're getting a lot of traffic. Now, Looker Studio, I mean, you can't beat free, right? The whole thing is totally free to use, with no hard usage limits. That's kind of wild. Only thing, if you want their super advanced features, you might end up reaching for some paid Google services down the line. Still, on pricing, Looker Studio pretty much takes the cake here. Moving on to privacy and compliance. Honestly, this is where Plausible flexes hard. It nails GDPR compliance, skips cookies altogether, runs open source, and yep, all your data chills in EU servers. Super cool if you actually care who sees your stuff. The only catch though, they're not exactly buddies with tons of third-party tools. Flip side, Looker Studio does lean on Google's secure infrastructure. So you're covered there, but Google's love for data collection means you gotta think about cookie consent, and yeah, data sits on US servers. If privacy's your thing, Plausible is hands down the winner. On to features and functionality. Plausible Analytics is all about the basics. You get essential metrics, can track custom events, get those nice email or Slack reports, and their tracking script, super light. But don't expect any wild, advanced features, funnel analysis, or shiny dashboards. Now, Looker Studio is where things get jazzy. Advanced data visualizations, like crazy levels of customization. You can hook up loads of data connectors, build custom dashboards, and even collaborate in real time. Be ready though, the learning curve is real, and it might feel totally overwhelming if you just want some quick insights. Still, for sheer power, Looker Studio wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool I just got to share. Plausible Script is actually 45 times smaller than Google Analytics. Seriously, less than 1 kilobyte. It's like the ninja of analytics scripts. I mean, that's fast. Let's talk ease of use. Plausible is ridiculously intuitive. Like, you sign up, toss a script on your site, and boom, it's working. No fiddling required. The dashboard's clean, easy to navigate, just simple. Only thing, you don't get much room for custom stuff. On the other hand, Looker Studio is a beast for customization, with drag and drop vibes, but setting it all up? Kind of complicated, especially if you're not super techy. It can get overwhelming fast. So, if you want quick, easy, and hassle-free, Plausible totally wins here. Now, who's using these? Plausible is a sweet spot for small to medium websites, privacy-conscious businesses, or anyone keeping analytics simple. If you're after huge enterprise stuff, it's probably not going to cut it. Looker Studio swings the other way. Think big organizations, data analysts, marketers, all those people who want complex reporting. For tiny sites, it's almost too much. Plus, you're kind of locked into the Google ecosystem. Honestly, this one's a tie. Both have their ideal crowd. Last category, performance impact. Plausible totally crushes it for speed. Their script is, get this, less than 1 KB. Barely leaves a footprint, doesn't slow down your site, basically loads instantly. The only trade-off? Tracking capabilities are kinda basic. Looker Studio is packed with features, so yeah, you get rich data, but the heavier scripts will slow down your site a bit, and you need some know-how to set it all up. So for performance, Plausible is my pick. So if we throw this all up on the comparison chart, you'll see Looker Studio's looking pretty dominant in pricing and features, but Plausible is slaying it for privacy, ease of use, and speed. It's kinda wild how distinct their strong points are. Alright, so Where does all this leave us in 2025? If you're a privacy-first person or just want clean, simple analytics without the headache, Plausible Analytics should be your go-to. If you're all about massive data, robust visualizations, and you need to build out complex reports for your company, Looker Studio is probably your best bet. So, what do you think? Ready to make your pick? Both Plausible and Looker Studio offer free trials, so honestly, it's the perfect time to just jump in and see which vibe suits you best.